Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today for this killer core workout. This core workout in particular had me sore still 2 days later, so enjoy and let's get started with high plank walks. Let's keep it to mountain climber marches, keep it really controlled as it's the first exercise today. It's just helping us warm up. Think belly button to spine, push the floor away, keep your head and your neck in line with your spine, and make sure you're not moving those hips as you drive your knee towards your chest. Keep going. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Take a quick 10-second breather. Next, we're going to need our Pilates ball. We're going to put it between our legs and we're going to sit our shoulders back and bring it back to a boat pose. So let's begin. We sit halfway back or as low as you can, bring it back to a boat, keep squeezing the ball between your knees. Keep this as controlled as you possibly can. Notice I'm not arching my back as I go down, I'm just slightly curving it to roll onto the top of my glutes and then bringing it back to that V hold or boat pose. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Continuing with the ball, let's take our ankles to cross in a V hold, and we're going to be doing Russian twists with our upper body, squeezing the ball between our hands to engage our pectoral muscles and our back muscles. As you do these twists, try not to move your hips side to side. Again, nice and controlled. Belly button still to spine. Roll those shoulders back to open up the front. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Next, we do not need the Pilates ball, so just put it aside for a second and let's go on to our elbows, sitting halfway back, shoulders rolled up and back for our 45-degree leg lowers. Lowering one leg, lifting it back up, and then lowering the next and back up. Again, belly button to spine. Make sure your head and your neck are in line with your spine. One long line from the top of your head all the way down to your tailbone. Keep going. To challenge yourself, you're going to lift your legs lower, and to make it easier, lift your legs higher.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you.
3, 2, 1. Finishing that last one, go onto your hands for the next one and extend your feet towards the corner. So very similar position. For these oblique sit-up twists, you're going to stay in the V, bring your knees towards one side, sit up, hinge halfway back, and then come back up. So you're going from your elbows to your hands, placing less weight on your hands and using your core to come back up. Again, not using momentum, using control. Make sure you take your knees to one side, then the next as you sit up. So you're switching sides to the right and to the left.
Sudden, I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked.
3, 2, 1. Beautiful. I know your hips are tired after that, so take a quick breather and a quick stretch. Go ahead, lay on your back, and we have leg lowers with the ball between our ankles. Let's get started now. Option to put your hands underneath your seat. Make sure your back stays flat on the floor. Belly button moves towards spine. As you exhale, you lower. Inhale, lift back up. Also option here to lift your head and your neck to challenge your core, but I know I am exhausted at this point, and I'd be surprised if you guys aren't too, because these exercises are hard. So be easy on yourself and make sure you're keeping your posture and you're using correct alignment and technique. Keep going.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
And last one, thankfully you can relax now. Take your knees side to side, relax your hips. Next, let's plant our feet flat on the floor, lift your upper body, and tap your heels on each side for our oblique heel taps. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Next, we're going to take the ball between our feet for butterfly sit-ups. Hands behind our head, feet on top of the ball, knees open. As we exhale, we bring our elbows to our knees, lift our sacrum. Inhale, tap the ball down. Again, exhale, elbows to knees, inhale, down. Keep going.
Fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Take a quick 10-second breather. Next, we have high plank to bear hold walkouts. You guys have done this with me before. If you haven't, your hands are underneath your shoulders, tuck your toes under, lift your knees and your shins to a bear hold, step back to a high plank, and do not by any means move your pelvis here. We are stabilizing that core, stabilizing our pelvis.
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
And finishing the last one. Very last exercise for today is a little bit of coordination. It's pretty fun. Take the Pilates ball and you're going to sit in your boat pose or your V hold, and you're going to switch legs, but throw the ball underneath each knee. Let's do 20 seconds and then we're going to reverse the direction after 20 seconds. Don't worry if you drop the ball. I did in this filming as well. Totally fine. It happens more often than you think. Keep going, belly button to spine, roll the shoulders back, keep your head in line. Ooh, there's the ball drop with your spine all the way down to your tailbone. Keep going. See if you can lower your body closer to the floor. Challenge yourself. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. Amazing, guys. Go ahead, swing your legs around, tuck your chin to your chest into a cat to stretch out your back, and then inhale, look up into a cow. Let's lower our hips down to stretch out our core into a cobra. You can also go into a sphinx pose here or a baby cobra. And you guys are done for today. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed today's workout. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Take care, and until next time, bye now.